We who work in Volvo Design, we are very passionate about the values and our brand. And then we design from that. So I think we have that core.
If you do find joy what you do, and then you will pass on the joy through design.
Scandinavian design is really a combination of functionality, simplicity and beauty.
For me, the challenge is to bring the user closer to nature. That is definitely the biggest inspiration. So observe and look how the light is and capture it.
You have this direct connection with the energy of the sun. Yeah. And it's especially because you lack of it in the winter.
I think I'm a designer 24/7.
Volvo is about really designing around purpose. And what is so special is that what we have pleasure in doing is that we tell stories.
The fact that you can still sit in a Volvo and feel empowered to use it right away is something that seems natural, but it's been a lot of work for all of the team.
We are kind of nerdy and into every detail.
It's really important that we, again, understand the purpose of what are we making and why, to basically design with context and with integrity.